Welcome to Review Rumble. The best cycling energy bars is probably one of the most crucial pieces of equipment for any cyclist looking to push their limits and conquer long distances, offering a convenient and portable source of fuel to keep your energy levels high and your performance at its peak, ensuring you can tackle challenging climbs and extend your rides without hitting that dreaded wall. Number 5. Jacked Factory Authentic Bar Kitchen Sink Protein Bars. Introducing the Jacked Factory Authentic Bar Kitchen Sink Protein Bar. It's a delicious and satisfying meal replacement designed to fuel your day. Each bar is loaded with 16 g of high-quality whey protein isolate. This helps you stay full and supports your fitness goals. Enjoy the natural sweetness from pure honey, not artificial sweeteners. It's a healthier way to satisfy your cravings. The foundation of these bars is made with healthy fats from peanut butter. This provides sustained energy to keep you going. Perfect for a quick meal replacement or an energy boost on the go. Grab a 12-pack and never be without a healthy option. What we like. This bar is designed as a complete meal replacement, packing a substantial 16 grams of protein. It uses natural sugars from honey for a healthier energy boost. If you're looking for a convenient, filling option that can stand in for a meal during a long ride or busy day, this is a great choice. What people say. This bar was soft, moist and easy to chew. Bar is about 1 inch tall by 3 inches long by 2 inches wide. Chunks of pretzels were easy to identify but everything else blended nicely. Flavor is just a little on the sweet side so it tastes close to a regular candy bar. They taste great with a lot of peanut butter flavor. They are just the right size. They are not sticky and heavy like a bunch of bars like trying to tear off a bite of jerky. These are thick but they are not sticky. They actually crumble a little bit but they are still filling. Authentic bars kitchen sink taste good and taste buds are satisfied. Also authentic bars have a good balance of proteins, carbs and fats. Number 4. Quantum Energy Square Caramel Almond Sea Salt. Introducing the Quantum Energy Square, your perfect companion for a busy lifestyle. It's a delicious and healthy snack designed for when you're on the go. Each bar is infused with caffeine to give you a boost and provides 10 grams of protein to keep you energized. It's the smart choice for sustained vitality. Enjoy a satisfyingly sweet and salty experience with our caramel almond sea salt flavor. It's crafted to be both delicious and nourishing. We've made sure it caters to various dietary needs. It's vegan, gluten-free, soy-free, and dairy-free, making it a snack everyone can enjoy. Grab one anytime you need a quick pick-me-up. It's the ideal solution for busy mornings, afternoon slumps, or pre-workout fuel. Indulge in a delightful combination of caramel, almond, and sea salt. This unique flavor profile makes healthy snacking a true pleasure. What we like. This option provides a caffeine kick to help power through your ride, along with 10 grams of protein. It's also vegan, gluten-free, soy-free, and dairy-free, making it suitable for many dietary needs. If you need a clean energy source that caters to specific dietary restrictions and want that extra caffeine edge, consider this bar. What people say. It tastes good, gives me clean caffeine energy, and the 10 g of protein actually keeps me full. It gives me a focused energy that keeps me alert and doesn't alter my personality. The perfect square of energy all in a few bites. There's so many different flavor options for you to choose from sweet to salty. Instead of needing to stop for a coffee, all you have to do is grab a pack while you're on the go. Number 3. Pure Protein Bars Variety Pack. Introducing Pure Protein Bars, your perfect partner for a nutritious boost. Packed with high protein, they're designed to support your energy levels throughout the day. Enjoy the benefits of high protein without the sugar crash. These bars are crafted to be a smart, low-sugar snack option. We understand dietary needs. That's why our bars are proudly gluten-free, making them a wholesome choice for everyone. Discover a range of delicious flavors with our variety pack. It's the perfect way to find your favorite and keep things exciting. Each bar is individually wrapped at 1.76 ounces, making them easy to take on the go. They offer a satisfying snack that fits your busy lifestyle. Stock up and save with this 18-pack. You'll have plenty of delicious, protein-rich snacks ready whenever you need them. What we like. These bars offer a high protein content with a focus on being low in sugar, perfect for sustained energy without a crash. The variety pack ensures you can try different flavors. If you prioritize protein intake and want to manage sugar levels while having options to choose from, this is a solid pick. What people say. The calorie count is relatively low while the protein content is high, which makes them a great snack option. The chocolate peanut butter bars have 20 g of protein with only 16 g of carbohydrates and around 2 g of sugars. If you happen to be a diabetic, like me, these bars are like a dream snack come through. These bars let you satisfy your sweet tooth while still staying completely within your diabetic diet. I have never had my blood sugar spike after eating these. These protein bars are a solid choice if you want a high-protein, low-sugar snack. They're convenient for busy days, workouts, or between meals, and the variety pack keeps things interesting. Texture and taste are good, not too chalky. Great option for quick energy and nutrition. Number 2. Honey Stinger Organic Honey Waffle, 16-pack. Unleash your potential with our organic honey waffles. They are the perfect energy source for any activity, providing sustained fuel for your body. Experience long-lasting energy with every bite. Our waffles are designed to support your endurance, whether you're at home, in the gym, or on the go. Optimize your training routine. These are ideal for a quick boost before your workout or for replenishing your energy afterward. Crafted with care using organic honey, these waffles offer a delicious and natural way to power your day. Enjoy wholesome goodness in every serving. Stock up and stay energized with our convenient pack of 16. Keep them handy for whenever you need a reliable source of fuel. What we like. Made with organic honey, this waffle offers a unique texture and a natural energy source. It's designed for endurance and performance, providing sustained fuel for your cycling efforts. If you prefer an organic option with a familiar, enjoyable waffle format for pre-ride or mid-ride fueling, this is an excellent selection. What people say. The bars are easy to digest and provide sustained energy during long rides. Great taste and texture, making them enjoyable to eat on the go. Convenient size and packaging, perfect for stuffing into a jersey pocket. Number 1. GU Energy Stroopwafel Variety Pack. Introducing the GU Energy Stroopwafel Variety Pack. It's the perfect on-the-go energy solution for any workout, ensuring you have the fuel you need when you need it most. Enjoy the delightful taste of these waffles, designed to provide sustained energy. They come with caffeine included to give you that extra boost. This pack offers a convenient way to power your activities. Plus, they are kosher dairy certified, fitting into various dietary preferences. With 16 waffles in this variety pack, you can explore different flavors. It's an ideal choice for athletes and active individuals alike. Don't let fatigue slow you down. Grab one of these delicious Stroopwafels for quick and effective energy before, during, or after your training. Experience the difference that proper nutrition can make. These waffles are crafted to help you perform at your best, every single time. What we like. This waffle-style bar comes with caffeine included, offering a convenient way to get both carbohydrates and a stimulant. The variety pack allows you to sample different flavors. If you like the Stroopwafel design and want a quick energy source with added caffeine for intense workouts or long distances, this is a good option to consider. What people say. Wonderful flavors, melts quickly, lots of energy and added caffeine and BCAA. The variety of flavors provided a delightful surprise, making each pre-workout session a tasty adventure. Not only are these waffles a treat for the taste buds, but they also delivered a substantial boost of energy without causing any cramps. I appreciated how these waffles served as an excellent pre-workout meal, providing sustained energy for my workouts. Solid option fueling long distance. I recently used these to supplement my nutrition during a 40-mile trail ultramarathon. They taste good for what they are, essentially a nutritional supplement. I have had all the flavors and no complaints about any of them. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.